I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine and blue. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine and blue.
Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by Sam's Beauty. So thank you so much, Sam's, for sending over this new wig. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from me. And yeah, let's jump into this new wig. All right, so today's wig is from the Stylist. It's a Swiss lace silk top lace wig. So that means you can part it to the left, in the center, or to the right. And it is a 4x4 parting space. The unit that I have today is called Straight Affair, and I do have her in F1B30. I'm excited to try out the F1B30 because I've never tried it before from the Stylist. It is a color that I'm on the fence with a lot of times, honestly. F1B30 can be a little streaky depending on the company you get it from, and I don't like when it's like chunky and streaky. I kind of like when it's more blended throughout the unit. So we'll see how this one is looking. So let's get into the cap construction. So we've got 2 combs on the side. We've got 1 comb in the back, 2 adjustable straps, which I am going to go ahead and connect together now. And let's look at the parting space. So we've got a 4x4 closure here. The lace color looks pretty good. So I don't think we'll have to use lace tint. The lace actually looks a little dark. I like this unit. It has like slightly a bump at the end, but nothing too crazy. Although here in the picture it looks very, very straight, whereas here it looks like there are some layers and it looks like it's bumped at the ends. So I'm not sure why the picture is showing that there's basically no layers. This wig is all one length and it's very straight, whereas here it's looking like there's a bump. So I don't know, that could just be from the packaging, the way that it was inside of the box. So yeah, you never know. I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace and then I'm going to try this wig on. All right, you guys, so this is Miss Straight Affair. I think she is super duper cute. I'm going to add a little bit of powder into the part so I can define this part just a little bit more. As you can see, there is a tad bit of streakiness to this F1B30, which is not necessarily my favorite. I do not like when my F1B30s are super duper streaky. It just, to me, takes away from the look. So I definitely would have preferred if this streak was not there, but I guess you can part it somewhere else. This is a 4x4 closure, so you can absolutely part this wig somewhere else. On the stock card, I noticed it didn't look like this unit had any layers, but as you can see, there's absolutely layers to this wig, and I love that about this wig. Now, as for the bump in the hair that I was talking about before, that was just from the packaging. This hair is absolutely bone straight, and I actually love it without a bump. I didn't think that I would, but I absolutely love it without the bump. This wig is giving me like chic realness. I don't know if it's because I'm real fancy with my dress on, y'all. This was one of my New Year's Eve dresses that I got from Shein. It's from the dress haul. So if you hadn't checked that out, it is available on my channel. This hair is a very reasonable length. I feel like this hair could be everyday hair, or it can serve like realness. Okay, I feel like this is very, very versatile hair, and if you want to check her out, I'll leave a link in the information box down below. As for the texture, it is definitely yaki. As for the length, I would say it's around 18 to 20 inches. As for the cap size, I would definitely say she is average, and she would definitely be good big head friendly as well, especially if you wear her behind the hairline like I am. Yeah, yeah, what else? I don't think I'm missing anything. If I am, ask me a question in the question and comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new upload from your girl. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.